Impalas can run at speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, making them one of the fastest land animals. When a cheetah is spotted, an impala will often try to outrun it in a zigzag pattern, using its speed and agility to try to evade the predator. Impalas are also excellent jumpers, and they can leap distances of up to 10 meters and heights of up to 3 meters. When faced with a cheetah, an impala may try to leap over obstacles such as bushes or rocks to create distance between itself and the predator. Impalas often live in large herds, and they use this safety in numbers approach to defend against predators.